All right, so we are here with the first 5-wing that I found. I'm letting go of this. Probably going to a new home today. This is the one that I broke the switch on. And it's pretty nice though. Going to a good home. I already got it. Yeah, I got the other one from the music store where I work, so that's the one that I'm keeping. And it actually runs a little quieter than this one, despite having been used an awful lot more. So yeah, she's going. Let's give her a quick run. This should be in, which is the direction towards us on low. Medium. Slowly waking up. And here's high. We'll go to off. And we'll flip her the other direction, do the reverse, the whole deal. You can hear the C-clip, or one of them. It's kind of loose. But otherwise runs pretty nice. So now we'll flip to reverse and low again. One of the things I like about this later version is the grills that press in as opposed to hook in. The case is a little smaller. I'd like to have one of the bigger ones. Why not? I think the blades are the same size. And then it's got this round ring, and if we shut it off, you know, the people say, I always thought this was cosmetic, but it's actually not, because the case of these late ones is smaller. The idea is, if this were to get pushed in, it would keep the blades from catching. Because if in reverse, as you can see, the blades are spinning towards, and they could easily catch here. And so the metal ring is to keep it from catching. That's what people say. I like that idea. And we'll go right to high in reverse. Makes a little more noise in reverse. That's the thing. There it is, off to his new home day, hopefully. I'm pretty sure. And there you go. Let it spin down. She'll spin him down there. Spin down, baby. Hurry! Pretty good spin down, reverse there. So there you go. Thanks for watching.